Welcome to the future of automotive design, where imagination meets innovation. Buckle up as we take you on a ride into tomorrow's cars. Say goodbye to traditional car shapes. The vehicles of tomorrow are sculpted for efficiency, speed, and sustainability. Think aerodynamic curves, minimalistic interiors, and bold LED signatures. Inside, it's all about intelligent design. AI-powered systems learn your habits, adjust your environment, and even drive for you. Say hello to cars that know you better than your best friend. Eco-friendly is the new luxury. From 3D printed parts to recycled materials, manufacturers are redefining sustainability. Even vegan leather is taking center stage. Autonomy isn't a dream anymore. Self-driving cars are hitting the roads, navigating traffic, reading signs, and even syncing with smart cities. From Tesla's angular beasts to Mercedes's living machines, concept cars are giving us a taste of what's coming. Design is no longer just visual. It's emotional, responsive, and alive. If this is the future, count us in. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more car evolution stories. Only on Zbyszka.